Hi friends, today we will discuss square of the numbers 1 to 30. How to remember easily from 1 square to 30 squares. So let's see. So 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100. Everyone know from 1 to 10 square. सबको पता चलेगा easily 1 to 10 square. Okay, let's see now from 11 square onwards. So 11 square is 121. How to remember easily or how to write fastly? So everyone know a plus b whole square formula. सबको पता चलेगा formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. We read like this. So for our convenience we can read this formula like this: a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so if you imagine here this is 1 square 1, this is 11 square, you want to find 11 square. So 11 square means here in the place of a imagine 1 and this is b. So a square means 1 square. Okay, and next 2ab. 2ab means 2 into a into b. 2 into a into b. So simply 2 into a means 1, b means 1, 2ab. And next b square. B square means 1 square. So 1 square. So here 1 square 1, 2 into 1 into 1. So 2 and 1 square 1, 121. You can write easily like this. Okay, स्टेप बाय स्टेप पता चलेगा इजी, पहले में मुश्किल रहेगा. ओके, shall we continue? Next one, 12 square. 12 square means here in the place of a 1 is there, 1 square means 1 and 2ab. 2ab in the sense 2 into 1 into 2. So how much? 2 2 is a 4. 4 into 1 4. So 1 4. And b square means in the place of b here 2 is there. So 2 means 2 square 4 144 like this. And 13 square. 13 square means simply so 1 square 1. Next 2ab 2ab 2 into 3 into 1 6. And next b square means 9 169. And 14 square. 14 square. So 14 square means so simply again in the place of a 1 1 square 1 and 2ab 2 into 4 into 1 8 and 4 square how much 16. So here 18 and here 1 is carry, 1 is adding to 18, then 19. Now 6 is keep like this 196. And 15 square. 15 square means so 1 square means 1 and 5 square 2ab, sorry 2ab 2 into 5 into 1, so 10. Here keep 10. Here 10 means here 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2. Okay, 2 and next 0, keep 0 like this. And 5 square means 25 and add this 2 carry with 0, so simply 2 225. 16 square. 16 square again 1 square 1, 2ab 2 into 6 into 1 12. In this 12 1 is carry, this 1 is adding to 1, so 2 22. Now 6 square 36, this 3 is adding to 22, so 2 25. No, 2 5 6 is 16 square. Okay, next coming to 17 square. 17 square means, so again a square 1, 2ab 2 into 7 into 1 14, 14 into 1 14, so 14. In this 14 1 is carry, this 1 is added to number 1, so how much? 2, 2 4. Now 7 square means 49. In this 49 4 is carry, this 4 is adding to 24, how much? 28, and 9 keep like this, 289. 17 square means 289. And 18 square, 18 square means again do same like this, a square 1 and 2ab 2 into 8 16, 16 into 1 16, keep 16. In this 16 1 is carry, this 1 is adding to this one, so how much? 2. Now this 6 is right like this. And 8 square 64. In this 64 6 is carry, this 6 is adding to 26, so 26 6 how much? 32. Now again keep 4 like this, 324. Next 19 square, so 1 square 1, 2ab 2 into 9, 9 into 1, so 2 into 9 18, 18 into 1 18, so keep 18. In this 18 1 is carry, this carry is added to 1, then 2 and 8 right like this. And 9 square, 9 square means 81. In this 81 8 is carry and 8 is added to 28, how much? 28 8 36 and 1 right like this, 361. And 20 square, 20 square is simply we know 400, everyone know, सबको पता चलेगा 20 square 400. Okay, now see, so 1 to 20 square. Next 21 square, 21 square, 21 square means same again, 2 2s are 4, 2 into 1 1 into 4, and again 1 square 1, 441. And 22 square, 22 square 2 square 4, again 2 into 2 into 2, how much? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8. Again b square 2 square 4, 484. 23 square, 2 into 2 square 4 and 2 into 3 into 2, 6 into 2 12. In this 12 1 is carry, adding to 4, so 5 2 and 3 square 9, 529 is 23 square. And 24 square, 24 square means 2 2s are 4 and 2 into 4 into 2, how much? 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So in this 16 1 is carry, added to 4, so 5 6 and 4 4s are 16. In this 16 1 is added to 56, so 5 7 6, so 576 is 24 square. So 25 square, 25 square again 2 2s are 4, 2 into 5 into 2 10 into 20, so 20. In this 22 is carry, so 4 6 0 and 5 5 is 25. In this 25 adding 2 is 60, how much? 62, again 5, 625 is the answer, 25 square. Next 26 square, 26 square, 26 square means again 2 2s are 4, 2 into 6 into 2, 12 into 2, 24. In this 24 adding carry, 2 is carry, adding to 4, so simply 6 4 and 6 6 are 36, 36. This 36 again 3 is adding to 64, 676. Next 27 square, 27 square means, so here 2 2s are 4, again 2 into 7 into 2, 14 28, and this 2 is carry, add to 4 6 8, 7 7 are 49. In this 49 4 is carry, this 4 is added to 68, 68 4 how much? 72, 72 and 9 as it is, 729. And next coming to 28 square, again 2 2s are 4 and 2 into 8 into 2, 2 8 is 16, 16 2 is 32. In this 32, 3 is added to 4, 7, 2, and again 8 square 64. In this 64, 6 is carry, the 6 is added to 72, simply 78, and again as it is 4, 784. And 29 square, 29 square means 2 2s are 4, 2 into 9, 18, 18 2s are 36, 36. In this 36, 436, 30 square, simply सबको पता चलेगा 30 square 900. Okay, so this is easiest way to remember 1 to 30 square. Okay, now today we will discuss one more trick. See here. So the trick is the square of the numbers unit digit is ending with 5. If the unit digit of the number is ending with 5, then how to identify the square of the number? Easiest way. See here. For example, 5 square, everyone know 25. 5 square 25. Okay, 25 square. 25 square means, see here, keep 25 as it is, and in tens place, in 25 tens place number is 2. 2 after number is 3. So 2 into next number 3. So 2 3 is 6. So 625 is answer, 25 square. So if you observe here, 25 square, how much 25 square? See here, 25 square is 625. Okay, as the similar way. So here this rule is applicable for only when the unit digit is ending with 5. Okay, remember, keep in mind. 25 square is 625 and 35 square. 35 square in the sense 25 is as it is 25, keep like this, and in tens place 35 number, tens place how much number is there? 3 is there. 3 next number how much? 4. 3 4s are how much? 12. So 1225 is 35 square. And 45 square. 45 square again 25, right, like this, and here tens place number is 4, 4 after number is 5, 4 5s is how much? 20, 20 25. And 55 square, 55 square again 25 common, so 55 square, 5 after number 6, so 5 6 is 30, so 30 25 is a 55 square. So 65 square, 65 square in the sense again 25, 6 after number 7, 6 7 is 42, so 4225, 65 square. 75 square, so again write 25, 7 after number 8, 7 8 is 56, so 56 25 is 75 square. 85 square, 25, tens place number 8 is there, 8 after number 9, 8 9 is 72, 7225 is answer. And 95, 25, 9 after number 10, 9025 is answer. 105 whole square. So in now take 10 number, 10 after number 11, 10 into 11, 1 2 1 1 0 and 25 common. This is your answer. Okay, so this is today's topic. Thank you.